Today we are planning to talk about backache. Backache is a very common disorder. So how common is backache? Backache is the second most common ailment in adults less than 50 years, only second to common cold. So today we would discuss some salient points regarding backache.
So as doctor has told about the backache, I am here to explain you, enlighten you and detail you about when and how to consult a doctor for backache, then how we are diagnosing backache and how we are treating backache by different modalities in modern medicine, how back pain is being treated.
Low back pain is defined as pain in the lower back in the musculoskeletal system and stiffness of the lower back. It can be divided into acute, subacute and chronic conditions. The acute phase lasts for about 2 weeks, the subacute phase about 2 weeks to 3 months, and the chronic phase from 3 months onwards. The risk factors that are commonly seen in low backache are sedentary lifestyle, lifting of heavy weights repeatedly, bending down, smoking, etc. etc. Our goal of evaluation is to differentiate between a serious pathology and a benign low backache.
When and why you should see a doctor in case of a back pain. See, back pain, when it occurs initially, it may be very light and you may not be worried about it. You might be doing some home remedies like trying for a ice pack, trying for a hot water bag, all those things you might be trying. But when it is not recovering following giving such home remedies, definitely you should see a doctor. Doctor, when you consult him, he does a proper physical examination. Then he orders for an x-ray, and through x-ray of course we can identify most of the back pain reasons like an early acute disc prolapse, any fractures, any collections, any infections, all those things can be diagnosed. In addition to this, we can also look for an MRI scan, look for a CT scan, look for further advanced investigations like electromyography, that is looking for any damage to the muscles, nerve conduction studies, that is any damage to the nerves, all those things can be looked for. In addition, if it is required, doctor can also do a blood investigations. With all these things, once he comes to diagnosis, next comes the treatment part. So doctor decides what kind of treatment is required, whether it is a conservative treatment or a surgical treatment. The conservative treatment can be done in 2 stages. Like initially the doctor might give you some painkillers, anti-inflammatories, neurotropic vitamins, muscle relaxants, local applicants, hot water bag massage, ice packs, all this can be given. And the second stage comes in the form of physical therapy, where physiotherapy comes. The physiotherapist will help the doctor in those problems, like interferential therapy, a continuous or an intermittent pelvic traction, an ultrasonic massage, a transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation, all those things can be tried in physiotherapy. If at all the particular problem, whether it is an infection, it is a disc prolapse or a tumor or an injury or a fracture, whatever it is, if it is not going with the available modalities of conservative management, the doctor will prefer a surgical part. The surgical part can be either removing the disc or doing part of the disc or stabilizing the disc with a form of spine instrumentations. And if it is a fracture, that can also be stabilized with open reduction and internal fixation of the particular fracture and stabilizing the spine. So there are different modalities of surgeries which are available for handling the backache. So, but this is the last stage. Before that, adequate amount of conservative management will be tried, and most likely it can be dealt nicely. And one more thing is, the medications which are used can also be little different from the normal medications which are used for other conditions. That can be dealt when the individual patient comes, when a proper diagnosis is made, and according to each and every patient's diagnosis, the medications differs. And the most important part, finally, what I want to stress is back pain, which is eating into most of the precious man hours and becoming a disabling symptom in modern era, can be prevent it first very efficiently by doing small measurements, small efforts like sitting in a proper posture, driving in a proper posture, standing in a proper posture, avoid injuries from normal routine activities of daily life, avoid injuries from sports, all those things, avoid unaccustomed works like lifting unnecessary weights, unaccustomed exercise, improper ways of handling our body. By doing all these things, by doing that, we can prevent the low backache. So hope all of you are very clear about what I have told you. Hope let us prevent back pain. If at all you are unable to prevent back pain, when you get it, please come to the doctor. We'll take care of you. Bye.